I'd like to give you my review on my new wave cookware. It's a 12-piece set, and mine came in vanilla cream, and I just love it. It's a very nice variety of sizes, some that I never had before, so I'm really excited to use it. First off, you get the stock pot. This is an 8-quart pot, perfect for soup. This is a 5-quart, and they all come with lids. The inside forged steel, and it is so it's not going to flake off. This isn't going to flake off. It's all non-stick, and mine is a blue speckle in the inside. Now they do come in a lot of different colors. The thing I like is they all have lids, and I don't have to worry about trying to figure out a lid. This is a 3-quart saucepan. I haven't seen too many 3-quart saucepans. This is a great size. These are really heavy as well. This one is a 2-quart saucepan. Same thing, nice lid, clear lid so you can see through it. And the handles are, this one here is a 1-quart saucepan. Perfect for eggs, boiling eggs, or whatever you're going to use it for. Along with all of this, you get 2 skillets. This is an 8-inch, very heavy, and it has that on the back side. And then this is a 9.5-inch skillet, perfect for just about anything you could possibly want. I really like the set very well. It's nice and heavy, and it cooks with that radiant bottom. It cooks real well. These will work on any type of stove, and the thing about this is you can put this right in the oven, and it's not going to scorch this outside exterior. So if you have something that you want to cook and you want to put it in the oven, you can do it right in this pan here, or any of them. That is 100% dishwasher safe, and this should last you a long time. I'm hoping that this is the last set of cookware I need to buy, and that's just my honest opinion.